Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot with the Snipping Tool on Windows in 2026. First, open the Snipping Tool on your Windows computer. You can open it from the Start menu or by searching for Snipping Tool. Once the app opens, click the New button in the top left corner. Your screen will dim and the screenshot toolbar will appear. Make sure Rectangle Snip is selected. This is the most common screenshot mode. Now click and drag your mouse over the area you want to capture. Release the mouse button and the screenshot will be taken automatically. The captured image will open in the Snipping Tool editor. If needed, you can crop the screenshot or use the pen and highlighter tools to make simple edits. To save the screenshot, click the Save icon in the top right corner. Choose a folder, enter a file name, and click Save. You can also click the copy icon to copy the screenshot and paste it into Paint, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or any other application. For a quick screenshot without opening the app first, press Windows plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. Then select the area you want to capture, and the screenshot will be copied to your clipboard. That's how to take a screenshot with the Snipping Tool on Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tutorials.